The first thing I do when I arrive to Korea is eat. I love Korean food and the special feeling surrounding Korean barbecue, which can best be described as hygge in Danish. So it felt natural for me to contribute to Copenhagen Kimchi Festival with a special dish introducing and at the same time bridging Danish and Korean food with the Samgyeopsal kimchi burger, which turned out to be a huge success.
Doing the Kimchi Festival in Denmark is like the Korean Hanari, a cultural movement. For many people it was a good chance to meet and to get to know about the Korean culture. To me, Korea is a part of my Korean heritage that I will pass on to my children and the generations to come. Korea will always be a part of me.